I'm going to quickly show you guys how to split text in Microsoft Excel. So let's say we have a bunch of data in our cells that we want to move over and separate. So in this case, we have the city and the state. They're all separated by commas within one cell, and we want to separate those. So we just type in equal text split, parentheses, and then our cell number, comma, quote, and then comma again, because that's what we want to get rid of. Quote, parentheses. We hit enter, and then everything is separated, and we can just drag this down, and we can see that it populates for us. So we can try this again. This one is separated by a dash instead of a comma. So we just do the same thing. We type in equal text split, parentheses, the one, comma, quote, and this time we'll enter in a dash because that's what we want to get rid of. Quote again, parentheses, and it does the exact same thing. Populates for us, and so that's all you got to do. It's that quick and it's that easy. So subscribe to the channel. If you have anything else that you would like me to show you guys, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to make those videos as quick as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.